Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Shannon Ashley here. Today we're gonna hop right into this tutorial. We are doing a one palette makeup tutorial. This is like a summer orangey color. Super excited what I have here. And we're using this LA Girl Hot Heat palette. Super cute. Look at this. Look at this. This is just so bomb. Clearly it's been used. So we're just gonna get right into it, and I'm gonna kind of stick around and watch the tutorial with you guys just so we can talk through it, but let's just get right into it. To start it off, I use this L'Oreal True Match Concealer. This is in the color Medium Deep. It really doesn't matter what concealer you use. I just like to use concealers I don't like to use on my face to kind of prime my eyelids now. And I also use the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in the color Medium Deep to prep my eyelids, just because you want to give it a nice smooth surface. So then from there we get right into the look, and we use this really pretty color. It's this color Voyage right here. It's like a really pretty, like almost like orangey bright color, and it's just so you guys can see it. It's just so bright. And two things, I cannot talk and do my makeup. It's just not as enthusiastic. I can't concentrate. I don't know what I'm doing. So I decided to do a voiceover this way. I hope it's okay, but I also wanted to just show you guys how long it takes to blend in eyeshadow, because I feel like on YouTube we just kind of show a little bit like here, and then we cut off, and then we show a little bit here, but it actually takes time to blend in your eyeshadow. And even here I cut out some of the time that it takes to blend the eyeshadow. So moral of the story is, I wanted to show you guys that you need to take your time and, you know, keep digging into the palette. This isn't a palette. It has really good color payoff. It's very pigmented, but to get that nice buildup, like this oranginess, you're going to want to dip into that palette and just take your time building and building and building and building and building this color up. And then from there, to take your time blending and blending and blending, because blended eyeshadow is where it's at, and it takes time to blend your eyeshadow. Okay, so next I'm going in with this super shimmery color. It's called First Class. Really pretty. It's already messy. And I'm just started from the outside and blended it in. This look would have been pretty with just Voyage and eyeliner and like no shimmer, but I wanted to kind of give you guys a little bit more. So I decided to go in with First Class, and I went a little bit just above my eyelid, just because I wanted like the shimmer to be nice and full in my eye. So going on the other side and really talking here, because I want you guys to know it takes time to blend in your eyeshadow. So I didn't want to just jump cut to make the tutorial go faster. I want this tutorial to be one that you guys can click on if you decide to pick up this palette and use this summer. Speaking of this palette, I really like the mirror. I think the mirror is so bomb. High ring light. High monitor. You guys can see me over there talking to myself. So I really like that. Of course, I love the colors. I don't like how this comes off. I wish they would have just added the colors on here. But the best part is that it does have the colors, the name of the colors on the back. So now we're getting into, see, I have to like flip to find the color. It's not cool. We're getting into this color Fiesta, just because you guys know I like to add a little bit of dimension and contrast to my eyeshadow looks. So just going in with that. Oh, I'm not even telling you guys the brushes I'm using. I am using an e.l.f. smudge brush. I find that these are great for like in here, just because they're really nice and compacted, so they will pick up a lot of product and like just let you pack it in. So if you're really trying to get like a really intense color, I love using these brushes. For my icon, this is like basically a brush that comes with like any, pretty much like your typical eyeshadow palette brush, where it has like a nice eyeshadow packer brush here, and then it also has like a transition color. So I use this side for Voyage, and then this side for First Class, and then the e.l.f. smudge brush for the inner corner, or the inner corners of my item. So then after I applied Fiesta, I went back in with this brush and dipped into First Class just to pack it and give like a nice smooth transition. And I did the same thing. You just want to make sure that after you apply both, you go on and just pack them a little bit. Pack them a little bit so that way it's not like a huge like line of demarcation. All right, and then next I am taking this Sedona Lace 904 brush in the color Flame. That is this color right here. And I just wanted to kind of give myself a smoother transition from my skin tone to this voyage color, so like a lighter one worked out, and I just like blended it in here and just all around, and really took my time to do so, guys. I know a lot of these tutorials go really quick and it's just a lot of times us talking, but the moral of the story is you want to take your time when blending in these shadows. All right, and then I'm taking that smudge brush again and going under my eye with Fiesta. I wanted this to be like a really dramatic under eye look, but I need your guys' help with letting me know what a good under eye eyeshadow brush is, because a lot of times I end up poking my eye and still not adding a lot of product. So let me know. I tried to use an e.l.f. small angle brush for this first class color to go under here, but it just wasn't working out. So if you guys have any recommendations, I would love to hear it. Just drop it below. I love hearing your guys' feedback, good or bad. All right, guys, and with every, you know, pop-in colorful eyeshadow look, I think it's cool to go in with a neutral eyeshadow or a neutral lip color. So this right here is the NYX lip liner, and it is in the color Espresso. I find that sometimes brown lip liners are hard to find because they come out looking purple, but this one doesn't. And then I use the NYX Strictly Vinyl lip gloss, and this is in the color Sugar Mama, not Sugar, Sugar Mama, and it just gave me this nice look. All right, guys, so this is the final look. Let me know down in the comments what you think, and also let me know if you guys like these one tutorial eyeshadow makeup videos. I found it hard before I hopped on YouTube trying to follow other YouTubers when they're hopping into 5 or 6 palettes. I'm like, girl, I'm buying one palette and I don't need the works, okay? Just give me something simple. So if you guys like simple tutorials like this, please let me know by giving me a thumbs up, and of course commenting down below. I can go back into this palette. There's so much to do with it. I also have the other palette like this, which I will leave a link below with the other YouTube video. But yeah, just let me know if you guys want to see more looks with this, or what other eyeshadow looks you guys want to see. I can put up eyeshadow palette collection, so you guys can let me know which palettes you have and which ones you want me to try. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will leave all the products and brushes that I use below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Have a good one. Bye.